birthday cake. What shall we name this toy? Ducky? Baby duck? Let's name it Baby Duck. Hey, there's some food here. Go get it. This is birthday cake. And this is Baby Duck. Baby Duck. Got a baby duck. You chewing your toy? You like your soft toys? So silly. Wait, wait. Sit. Sit. Where's your toy? Lady, lady. You like that toy? You like the small toys? You like the small squeaky toys? Yep, you do. Which one you like better? You like, she found Star under the bridge. Which one you like, Star better or Baby Duck? Is this a duck? But call it Baby Ducky. Which one do you want better, Star? Let's see, leave it, leave it, leave it. Okay, wait, leave it, off, leave it. Okay, which one do you like better, Star or, okay, let's throw it there. Let's see which one you prefer. Which one do you like better? Go get it. Go get it. You got Star. That's your favorite.